welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this month's Boxycharm unboxing, and I took a sneak peek and this month's is good. So let's go through the items that I got. The first thing that I got, and this is actually the main item that I wished or hoped that I would get in this month's box, it was the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. It's a glass bottle, looks super nice. And the reason why I wanted this was because all over TikTok I've seen, you know, like they're not really blackheads, but just enlarged pores right here, and I have that. And everybody on TikTok said that the Paula's Choice BHA toner worked really well to get rid of that. And so when I saw this in people's boxes this month, I want to try this one out and see if this one will also clear my pores, and if not, we'll try the Paula's Choice after. But I'm super excited that we got this one. It smells natural. Let me really get on my nose. Skin feels nice. It feels dry, which is to be expected for any toner that's really for oily skin because it's trying to get all the oils out. So I will report back to see if this actually clears my pores in a month or so. Be sure to follow me on Instagram because I'll probably post an update on there. I'm excited to try this out. This retails for $28. Next we have Dr. Brandt DNA Do Not Age. Triple Peptide Eye Cream. So this helps with wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, and hydration. This retails for $82. A little bit under our eyes right now. I like that it comes in a squeeze tube so you don't have to like dip your finger into a jar. Ooh, it's pretty nice. It's almost looks like it comes out like a cream, but once you rub it into your skin, it's kind of like a gel consistency. It's very cooling. It's like instantly cooling once you put it on, and it does feel very hydrating because it doesn't feel thick, but it almost feels a little bit like tacky, but it's completely dry to the touch. I don't know if that's like the best way to describe it, but it does feel very, very hydrating, but you can tell it instantly soaks into your skin. So this would be great to wear in the morning under your concealer. Kind of has a slight medicine-y type scent to it, but it's very, very mild, so you can't smell it once it's on your face. So this feels really, really nice on the skin. I'm excited for this product because if you guys saw my last video, which was my updated everyday makeup tutorial, you guys would have known that I'm kind of on like a very light skin-like foundation journey. So this Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, it's a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with SPF 20. And this retails for $35, and it kind of looks like my color. I am going to put a little bit of primer on just because that's what I do with any foundation or tinted moisturizer that I apply. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I believe the color that I have is MN3. I'm just going to, whoa, it's pretty liquidy. And it does look, from the tube to the actual product, it does come out a little bit lighter. I'm just going to buff it in with a Morphe M439 brush. Although it does match me perfectly. I can't remember if when you sign up with Boxycharm, you tell them your complexion, but kudos to Boxycharm. This is a perfect shade match. How did they know I haven't seen the sun in 10 months? that went on really, really nicely. It is more of a liquidy formula. I'm just comparing it to, for example, the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer is a little bit thicker in consistency, so that one I feel like is a little bit more like more on the moisturizer side texture wise, as this one is more of like the foundation-y kind of texture. I really like how well it went on. Most tinted moisturizers that I use, typically I like to put it on with my fingers, which I actually don't like because I don't like to get my fingers dirty. But when you use a brush, like all your bristles kind of get stuck together because it's so moisturizing. I didn't have a problem with this one. It went on really smoothly. It still gives me like a nice glow to the skin. You can still see some imperfections through the skin, so it is a light coverage tinted moisturizer. But I will say, compared to other tinted moisturizers that I've tried, this does provide more coverage than other tinted moisturizers that I've tried. So I really like this product. I quite like this, and I could definitely see myself wearing this day to day, and it's not sticky. So sometimes tinted moisturizers are really moisturizing and they leave like a shiny finish. You wouldn't really need to set a powder with this if you don't want to. I am, just because I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my face. I actually am very impressed by this tinted moisturizer. I'm really, really happy that I was sent this one. I'm gonna go off camera, do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and do my eyes on camera. Okay. So eyebrows are on, and then I also primed my eyelids while I was at it with the Makeup by Mario Master Eye Prep and Set in Medium. It's my favorite primer. This is the palette that I was sent. It's the Violet Voss Olive You Forever, which is a super cute name. This retails for $34. Ooh! I really like the matte shades that are in here. This is what the palette looks like. The matte shades in here are super pretty. I'm gonna do a green look because I always do natural brown, bronzy shades. So since this is an olive palette, I will do green. This one right here, it's really pretty. It's a green and gold. Well, first we are going to do the crease. What are we gonna do? I don't know. So I'm just gonna take a Morphe R37 brush. I'm gonna start with this shade, Endless Desire. The matte shades are pretty dark. I don't think I own anything from Violet Voss, so this was my first time trying their shadows. I'm gonna take a little bit of Wishful, this shade up here, just to kind of use in my crease to blend out my crease. All right, let's deepen the outer corner a little bit. I'm gonna use Charmed. Pretty pigmented, and they're really easy to blend out. These shades are matching my shirt so far. Next, I'll probably deepen it up a little bit more, but I'm gonna go in with the olive shade now. It's called Olive Me. Olive Me. And I'm just going to use a flat brush so it picks up the pigment. Let's ooh, fallout. A little bit of fallout, but that's okay. Just gonna pat on a little bit more. I'm just gonna deepen up the outer corner a little bit. So I'm gonna go apply some lashes and I'll be right back. Lashes are on, and I also filmed a first impressions on Glamnetic magnetic lashes, so that video will probably be up after this one, but be sure to be subscribed so you guys get the notification of when that goes up. I decided to finish the rest of my makeup off because the last thing in the box, actually before I finish, I'm just gonna do a little bit of shadow underneath the eye just to kind of balance out how dark my shadow is. I'm not gonna do anything too dark. I'm just gonna use Charmed, this shadow right here, and just apply that right underneath the lower lash line. Just a little bit of smoke just to balance it out, but I didn't want it to do full liner. So that's it for the complete look, because the last item I got was this Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm lip gloss, and the color wouldn't really go with what we're going for today. It's this really pretty bright pink gloss in Unprofessional. So it just looks like this, very pretty, but would not go well with the eyes. And that about wraps it up for this month's Boxycharm box. I'm very excited for the BHA toner. I will keep you guys updated to see if the pore situation goes away. Overall, very happy with this box. Let's add everything up to see how much this month's box was. So this month's box, all the products added up together, came out to $197. I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys aren't already. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you guys so much as always for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys! There's a stopper. Hey guys! Oh, I need to do my foundation. No. I'm just gonna do the matte